You've just purchased some diesel engine parts and one of them contains a component that is remanufactured. That part will result in a core charge. The core is charged at the time of purchase. When the remanufactured component from your old part is returned to us, the charge is refunded to you. To ensure a successful core return, follow these steps. Following your purchase, HHP will email a return authorization form and prepaid shipping documents to use for returning the core. Print these documents for use in the package. Prepare the core for shipping by draining any oil or fluids from the unit. Make sure it's clean and dry. Place the unit back in its original box. Place return authorization form inside the package with the core. Finalize the package by taping, palletizing, or banding. Place the shipping labels on the outside of the package. If a bill of lading is also supplied, print that document and keep it with the shipment. Now you're ready to ship your core back to us. Ship your core using the carrier of the labels provided. You must ship the core within 45 days of receiving the paperwork in the email. The core may need to be examined to determine that it is accepted. If accepted, you'll receive a credit via the original method of payment. Payment may take 3 to 4 weeks, but we try to credit you faster whenever possible. For more information on core returns, talk to the experts at HHP, 844-447-1453.